Good morning, second graders. Hope you're doing well on day one of our Learn From Home. I'm just going to go through the plans. I'm going to go over what you're going to be doing just so it's easier for you so you understand it. If you have any questions, maybe this will help answer those questions. If you need help or if you have any concerns or anything, feel free to email me and I will get back to you as quickly as possible. So on the first thing you're supposed to do is to find a book of your choice. You're going to read that book for 10 to 15 minutes. Read it out loud so that you can hear your errors and help correct your errors. Have a good time with this. Read to somebody, have somebody read to you, read at the same time. Just be creative with this. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to get your reading practice sheet that looks like this. You're going to practice reading these words. You should be able to read these words without having to stop and blend them. If you have trouble with a word, I want you to circle it. Have somebody circle it if you're reading to somebody. And then make a flashcard with those words and practice those every day. You could also make a goodbye list like we do in class. Show your parents how we do that. And then every day go back to your goodbye list and work on those words until you get them. Take some time to work on this. Read them. The more you practice it, the quicker you'll be. The next thing you're going to take is your read and roll sheet that looks like this with some sight words. You're going to get a die and you're going to, if you don't have a die, go on the internet and it'll teach you how to make dice using paper. And you can use that to complete this. You can make this a game with your family. Take turns. See who can do it the quickest. You're going to roll. If you roll a 1 or a 2, you're going to read a word from this list and check it off. A 3 or a 4, this list, a 5 and a 6 will be a word from this list. Again, do this one like the other list. If you miss one, add it to your goodbye list so that you can practice that word specifically. And then go back once you've read them all and practice them again with somebody. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your comprehension sheet. This is Walter Kicks the Ball. You're going to read this story and then answer the questions. Now, I'm going to encourage you to read the questions first. That way you know what you're looking for as you're reading. And when you find it, I would go ahead and underline it in the story. That's going to make it easier when you go back and answer the questions to find those answers that are in the story. So this week I want you to be creative. You know all the different sites that we go on at school for reading that you learn and you can play games with. Show those to your parents. Practice some of those games. Play on those games. Just spend a lot of time reading together. There's all kind of sites on the internet that you can look at and you can read. So just do that. I want you to go outside and I want you to have fun. I want you to be creative. Find some new things to do. Find new games. Play hide and seek. Do all those exciting things together. But I want you to have a good time. And I want you to know I'm going to miss you, but I'm going to see you tomorrow on day 2. Talk to you later.